Hi, do you know you can win a lot of Salesforce swags by completing modules on Trailhead? The first way is through Trailhead quests. So go to Community tab and click on Quests. On this page, you will be able to find a lot of quests. Let me take this quest as an example. So I have completed all the modules within this quest within the time frame provided. So it is marked as completed, and I am more likely to receive an email from Trailhead about my swag. The second way is through reaching the ranger level. So whenever you are completing 100 badges, you will be called as rangers and you will be eligible for a ranger kit. Similarly, 200, 300, 400, and it goes all the way till all star. All star is a level which comes after 600 badges. So I hope you guys are motivated and you will be completing a lot of badges and modules on Trailhead. So stay tuned guys for next videos. Thank you.